Should your investing be a sprint or a marathon? Today I want to talk to you about one of the newer companies in the space of cryptocurrency. This one is called Marathon Digital Holdings. MARA is the call symbol. And what does it do? It's a miner of miners. I'm not going to explain to you in detail what Bitcoin mining involves, but I'll try to be very simple about it. It's a very energy-intensive process by which high-speed computers verify, it's called proof of work, the existence of the Bitcoin and the transactions underlying Bitcoin's, in effect, manufacturing. You at home can mine Bitcoin on your laptop computer, but it takes hours and hours of running calculation. And what a company like Marathon is doing is they are a wholesaler. They are the miner's miner. They combine many, many computers in various locations, and they're paid in Bitcoin. Let's have a look and see how it's done for them. Marathon is a Bitcoin company. It is paid for its mining in Bitcoin. The more Bitcoin it mines, the more assets it has in the company. And the higher the price Bitcoin goes, the higher the stock of Marathon goes. Let's have a look. You can see right up here is the top. About 6 months, 8 months ago, Marathon had a huge spike. When Bitcoin went down to 30,000, 32,000, Marathon slid. And now since Bitcoin has recovered, the price of Marathon stock is about $41 a share. What's the advantage of owning Marathon as opposed to owning a specific number of Bitcoins or parts of Bitcoins? The answer is that it's a listed company. It's supervised, it's regulated. You don't need to have a cryptocurrency wallet. You go to NASDAQ, you go through your stockbroker or E-Trade, however it is you buy and sell shares, and you buy MARA, M-A-R-A. That gives you an exposure to the Bitcoin market. At the same time, largely the price of Marathon is tied to the price of Bitcoin. The problem I have with Marathon, not the idea is solid. They produce through their computer network Bitcoins. That's what they do. At the same time, as a buyer of Bitcoin stock, in this case MARA, you're paying a huge premium. You may not be having direct risk in the Bitcoin market. You have secondary risk, and you're paying a price-earnings ratio that's almost astronomical by my humble origins to own this stock. In terms of the numbers, the market cap of Marathon is about roughly $4 billion. But that doesn't mean in the balance sheet of Marathon that it owns $4 billion worth of Bitcoin. By my calculation, it owns about $350 million worth of Bitcoin. So that's the difference between the Bitcoin portfolio held on the balance sheet of Marathon and the way the market values this company. It's an extraordinary multiple. It may generate those earnings over time, but be prepared for a long wait to see numbers from, say, 41 to 100. For someone who wants an aggressive investment in the cryptocurrency space, to have a proxy Bitcoin investment, Marathon could be the answer. Be prepared, however, to know that the company has yet to turn a profit. Its Bitcoin portfolio has gone way, way up as Bitcoin has gone up, but the operations of the company still generate losses. So bear that in mind as you consider this investment. Companies can turn around, but it takes time. That's all the time we have today on The Investment Advisor. I'm your host, Matthew Stevenson, in partnership with Dukascopy TV. Remember, money can take care of you. It cannot take care of itself.